that's that root beer you was talking about.
Yeah.
And see that peanut butter interior I was just referring to of some sort of a brown up in there. Okay. Oh yeah, you on glass right there,
Yeah,
man. That's all you?
That's all me, man.
Oh, okay. Okay, with the color chrome on the light.
That's my work.
Oh, y'all hear him.
That call all the way from Georgia, man.
Call from Georgia. He brought it down here. You went up there.
No, he brought it down here.
Okay. Oh yeah. I see what's going on right there. That's right. Y'all hear it? Hit him one more time with that name and how they get to you, man.
It's the Buffman 2013 on Instagram, man. Y'all hit me up, man. Follow me, man. Hey, you'll love my work. Trust me.
Hey, thank you very much, my brother.
You,
appreciate it. I'm putting it out there for people to see it.
Appreciate it, man.
All right.
See, the metal.
Yeah.
So you just put the metal down. What I was trying to tell you. So that's metal.
Yeah, that's metal.
Yeah.
Okay, and you re-sculpting back in the game.
You know, be left it up. You weld it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put some more, you know, just down, you cut all of it out.
Yeah, you cut all of that because rust is like cancer.
You can't 100% guarantee it, but you try to cure it best you can. You can't guarantee rust. You still wait.
Because I had a 71 like this, and the roof was bad, and I was skeptical when I got him because of the vinyl top.
Yeah. You can still cut up some more. Just cut the shell off. You can look, but here it might end up just chopping it completely. It's bad.
And find a donor car and put it back on.
I got a 71, go ahead, you know, just really go ahead and just get it off. We just start a process. This is working process.
Working process.
And that's all what it is. All big Eldorados and
I see y'all
have a lot.
Like you said your thing is to bond on the metal, and you're gonna take it from there and make it happen.
That's it. You know, you have to put a lip bond on. Get it off your shave once you get it to the metal. You have to.
Yeah.
Because it's what it is. That's what it's a filler.
Yeah.
But you get most of it to the metal. You get it stripped down to the metal. It's right here. Then you touch some on there. You play with it. Then you go back.
So here you had to rebuild all these lips here.
All of them.
Yeah.
You get it back down. Then you come back and grind it down to get it smooth.
So on these older cars, because we ride around on the freeway, we didn't see a lot of older cars. It's due to because of the weather. The older cars don't last here because they're old cars.
No, the older cars, it's not an everyday car.
Yeah.
You know, it's a weekend.
Yeah.
And, you know, people got, a lot of money tied up in them.
Yeah. So they ain't gonna bring out everyday driver.
With different clienteles, you know what I mean? From just the traditional 57 Chevys and all that. They have their days they want to come out and ride around. Then you have the dunk boys want to bring their cars out. They got special events. They want to bring them out.
Is there any events coming up this weekend or something I might need to know about?
Not to my knowledge. We have something going down in August, City Fest. And, we draw crowds from all over the world. They come all the way as far as Europe, Finland, and all over just to come and have a good time. We normally used to have the event right here, a block party. They got so large, it's just that we had to go take it to another level.
Take it to another level, yeah.
We have entertainers, they come, and good rappers and stuff, and
Yeah, so when they show up, like Tupac say, all eyes on me.
It's all eyes on us. And it's a good thing we're doing it long. We set the trend in it. And I'm not gonna say we're the first one, but the one consistent.
Consistently putting them out.
It's about 30 years.
Like putting out hits. You consistently putting out hits.
We're gonna drop it. When you think, our thing is we're not to mix the colors. We can play with the colors. I mean, we went to school for it and paid our dues.
Knowledge is power, then you're saying.
That's it. Absolutely. We want their students in school. We know how to mix. And, we can find other people to help us and be creative. And we decide what colors can go on the car. And, sometimes, very seldom we put out the same color. It may look it, but when you get up to it, you'll see a little tricks of trade to it.
Okay. I was asking your detail man over your cut man, what's your favorite color? On color. He said the Buff Man said he liked that root beer brown and that brandy wine. But your personal question to you, what's your color you like to see put out there?
It's so hard.
Because you see a lot of stuff now.
I really like a teal.
A teal?
I like a teal.
Okay. So you personal teal.
Yeah, you can dress the teal up, but all the colors come with it. You got that pagan gold. You got this different, and it just depends on your like. But me, I like a teal.
All right. Have you ever had a customer come to you, set in their mind what they want, but they don't see the full picture? You see how this is going to come out.
That's what.
And you had to maybe re-steer them back.
Yeah, the owner of Sunamar, that's what he does. He helps you. He comes in and get their mind. No, it's not going to look good on this. Not on their body. It's not going to not that color. It's tendency. The sun don't hold up now with it. No, we're not going to go with that color. Try this. So sometimes we're very persuasive.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we put a product out there that's going to reflect us.
Yeah.
who did that car? Soon as I'm putting that out like that, it's gonna come back down.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Even if it was his build from the top and bottom, and he managed it all, and his vision, he didn't see the end product, and you try to tell a person that, they gonna come saying, "Oh man, he did that, man."
Yeah.
But if it would have turned out beautiful, it would have still been he did that.
Yeah, either way.
And so
it's a double-edged sword.
He's double-edged sword, yeah.
So it's I mean, we put a lot of work in. It's not easy.
Okay.
It's not easy. It's sometimes we'll be at fault, and I mean that's the way this business is like that. We try to make up for it.
Yeah.
But it's been a good ride so far.
Okay, well,
Great ride. I mean, it pays the bills and send kids to school, and
yeah.
that's what it feed families. And workers take a check home. I mean, it's nice.
Everybody's good.
Everybody's good. Let me see one of the interior guys.
Okay, for sure.